Well, here's my newest moto purchase for the Moto Garage. This is a 1981 Honda Passport. 1981. This is the 70cc version, complete with front fender luggage rack, turn signals, kick starter, as well as electric starter. Oh, and by the way, how about 2,940 miles on this puppy? Yes, that's right. It is 40 years old, and it has less than 3,000 miles on it. How about that? Pretty groovy, man. You meet the nicest people on a Honda. You know that, right? I am thrilled with this purchase. I need to get a second mirror. I just rode it home. Topped out at about 45 miles an hour with my 210-pound body on it. But I need to get another mirror for the right handlebar. But there you go. Pretty good shape. Not brand new. Heck no, it's 40 years old, people. Come on, what are you talking about? But the man that I bought it from put a new seat cover on it, new battery in it, changed the oil, fresh oil, gas, everything works. All the lights work, the horn works, everything works. This is a real find. I'm very, very pleased. 1981 Honda Passport 70. So let's see if this 40-year-old Honda Passport will crank up for us using the electric start. We'll turn the key on, and then we'll make sure it's in neutral, and then we'll push the start button. Ride safe out there, you guys, and don't forget, God loves you just because you are you. That is the truth.